24-hour total shutdown called by Committee on Tribal Unity Cotu'S in Kangpokpi district is underway. Cotu'S has imposed the shutdown as a mark of protest against firing incident in Moirangpurel area, which left 2 persons injured, and also April 12 Hairok firing. In response to Cotu'S shutdown, Band supporters enforced the shutdown effectively. All business establishments in the district remained closed. Inter-district passenger transport services stayed off the roads. A massive rally was also taken out in the district headquarters, raising slogans like "We demand separate administration," "We want NIA to take up the case," "End Birin, shame, shame," etc. Security forces were put on high alert in the district. So far, there has been no report of any untoward incident till the time of filing this report. The shutdown came into force from yesterday at midnight. Cotu'S accused the state government of sponsoring the violence in total violation of the Election Model Code of Conduct.